unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. All corners seem pretty good. All corners are okay. Do not accept if seal is broken. Should be sealed. Is the white okay? White looks okay, I think. Okay. Do not accept if seal is broken. Some details about the box. Okay, let's open it. You can use your fingers to break it. Not very impressive. Let's see what's inside. I think it's the other way around. Shit. It's like this. Is it? It has to be like this. Oh. Interesting. Some paper. There's no charger with this thing. No charger. Some weight, maybe a cable. Maybe it has a cable. Oh, here. Or it's really just paperwork. Papers. Ah, there is one cable at least. USB-C to USB-C. Okay. And I think SIM tool. Yeah. Smells like paper. It smells like warehouse paper. Warranties. It's in Greek also, interesting. Warranty card. In German. Oh, so nice manual. Quick start guide. Okay. USB-C to USB-C cable. Pretty nice, but oh, interesting paper. Yeah, this is not very easy to open. I think it's 1 meter. About 1 meter, 1.5 meters. Is it? Yeah, 1.2 meters maybe. I think it's more than 1 meter. USB-C to USB-C. No markings on the cable. Pretty flexible. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Look at these cameras, really, wow. It really looks interesting. Oh yeah. Interesting why it has this soft stuff here. Okay. Beige. Without dropping it like that. Wow. Okay. It's a really beautiful phone. Wow. This is some soft stuff here. It's like jewelry, really. It's like jewelry. I think this is glue from that tape. Volume down, volume up. Antennas. Interesting finish, like it's scratched almost. Is it scratched or it will get polished? It's just glue. And here the S Pen, stylus pen, speaker, USB port. The S Pen, the stylus, speaker or microphone, I don't know for sure. Maybe here USB port, USB-C, SIM card, and it's double SIM card. It's really like a jewel. I think I like this beige white. It's not just that it's cheaper, but it's more dramatic here with these cameras. Okay. So the top here, I guess it's another, I don't know why it has these things here. It's glue, I think. Is it glue? I press the power button. I think it's glue. Interesting. S23 Ultra with stripes. I think there's some protective film here, or what's this? Ah, it's a protective film on the sides. Here, no, here also. It's a protective film for the sides, that's why it's nothing. No big deal. Let's see if it starts. Ah, this is the front camera. What is it? Front camera. Oops. Power button. How I hold it on the right here. Power button, volume down, volume up. No other buttons. Only the S Pen. Looks nice. Okay, let's try this.